Every day, making ends meet is getting harder for more and more people. Soaring prices at the grocery store are only making things worse. Chris Conti shows us the challenges some school districts are facing as they try to help families struggling to put food on the table.
How are you today? Good. Are we doing 2 and 2 today? Okay.
In the age of social distancing,
Morning, Olivia. How are you today?
Jay Townsend is finding a way to get close to people, even when he's 6 feet apart.
What do you have for a number for me?
2 kids, 2 adults.
Perfect.
Jay's is the first face families see when they come to get a free meal outside this middle school in Portland, Maine. His face is covered, but his message is clear.
Just talk to them like regular people. How are you today? I'm not here to judge, I'm here to help.
Since the start of the outbreak, Portland Public Schools have handed out more than 50,000 free meals, a critical service for families facing food insecurity.
Every little bit counts.
Shia Lancelota and her 2 boys come here almost every day. Without these meals, Shia doesn't know how she'd afford her grocery bill. Accepting help, though, wasn't easy at first.
There you go.
Just a pride thing, I guess. It's just kind of hard to accept, to make yourself vulnerable. It's really hard to do that as a human being.
There you go. How are you today?
Coast to coast, meal pickup sites like this one are only getting busier.
It's about community. It's about lending a hand.
Jane McLucas is the food service director for this picturesque coastal town where the economy has come to a halt. Nearly 78% of students here qualify for free or reduced lunch, and that was before the pandemic.
The need is getting greater and greater. More people are feeling the pinch.
And as more parents are finding themselves out of work, school districts across the country are only seeing the demand for food increase, meaning instead of planning for summer vacation, they're having to figure out how to plan to feed kids through the fall.
It's not going to stop. We're going to keep going, and we'll feed these kids through the summer.
Yeah, we've been doing like 180, 200.
And then there's this. Officials are realizing some families don't have access to transportation, so they're expanding food pickup sites and considering home delivery.
Because no one can learn when they're hungry.
As for Jay Townsend, he'll be here every day for as long as families need him.
It's one less thing they have to worry about. It's not hanging over their heads.
Because making ends meet right now means relying on those willing to lend a hand. In Portland, Maine, I'm Chris Conti reporting.